All right, let's check out room 2912, a deluxe studio at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. All right, as we walk into the room, here to the left is the adjoining door for if you're gonna have connecting rooms. There's a nice full-length mirror right here, high. And to our right is our first bathroom. There is a little vanity here. Lots of storage. I love this artwork that's here on the wall. And coming around, this bathroom is huge. Got the nice shower tub combo, perfect for the little kids. There's a pocket door here to close it off. Here is your closet area. Lots of space to hang things. Got your ironing board and your iron, your laundry basket, and extra pillow and blanket, and of course your safe too. Next to the closet, we have our little kitchenette. Really, really cute. Got a microwave here, some storage up top. Disposables and plasticware right there, paper towels. A little sink, a nice coffee maker, toaster, your coffee accessories, a mini fridge, which is really nice. It's an actual freezer. Trash can and recycle. So a really cute little kitchenette here. Across the hallway from the kitchenette, we have our shower in its own bathroom. So we have this great big vanity here, lots and lots of space. Lots of storage for all of our toiletries and everything. And of course, they have the shelf here to help with storage. There is the makeup mirror. And then we have this beautiful walk-in shower. I love the inlay there on the tile work. And then coming out, there is a barn door style that separates that bathroom from the rest of the room. I really like that there's two separate bathrooms. That's really nice. And then coming into our very large living room. Here right to the left is our TV. And then this credenza is actually a bed. It will fold down to a twin size bed, so perfect for little kids. I'll show that in just a few minutes. A nice table and chairs. I love the mirror and this lamp is so cute and available for purchase in the gift shop. Coming around, we have our beautiful sofa. And this right here will fold down for the second queen bed. Yep. And this opens up for more storage. Nice queen size bed here. And you have nightstands on both sides. We have charging ports and plugs. There are some behind the lamp right here. Nice storage underneath that you can put your luggage. There are also these drawers underneath the bed for extra storage. Thermostat right here goes to 68 degrees. And now this is what the living room looks like with all of the beds folded down. How cute is this artwork? You can see it sleeps 5, but look at the space here. There's more than enough space. There's more than enough storage too. Just really, really nice. We have this really nice balcony here as well. And we can see Grand Floridian and the lagoon. Really, really pretty. Well, that's going to do it for this room tour of a deluxe studio here at the Polynesian Village Resort. If you've stayed at this resort, let me know what room type you've stayed in and how you like that room. If you like this content, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more room tours around Walt Disney World. That's going to do it for today, friends. I hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.